Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro, and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we need to scroll and find security and privacy. Then let's scroll down and go to the device unlock and go to face and fingerprint unlock. Of course, if you do not have a regular screen lock, you will need to add it right now, just like I have to do it. If you've got one, you will be just transferred to another step. So let me quickly add the pattern. It is necessary because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you won't be able to unlock your device. And it is crucial to set a regular screen lock, so we will still be able to unlock it with your pattern pin or password. Here the notification content, so just tap on done. Now fingerprint, just tap on the fingerprint and tap on Add Fingerprint Add. As you can see, you can add up to 5 different fingerprints. So the fingerprint in this device, the fingerprint sensor is located on the power button, which is located right here on the right side, actually right in the middle between the volume and the NxtPaper key. So let me put my finger on it. And now we need to do it multiple times to add our fingerprint fully. So try to catch every part of it for better recognition. Rotate your finger, change the position. However, it is really, I would say, sensitive. It really catches quickly, which is great. Okay, so done. And this is the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it. Add another fingerprint, verify fingerprint. So if you've got more fingerprints added, then you can check which fingerprint is already added. You can decide about the fingerprint function, so whether you want to unlock the device with the fingerprint, and the unlocking method, so press to unlock or touch to unlock. Personally, I prefer to have a touch to unlock because all you have to do is to put your finger on the sensor. In the press to unlock, you need to put it and then press it. So touch to unlock is just a little bit faster, but it's completely up to you. And here we've got the quick launch application, so you can use unique fingerprint, for example your pinky, to launch a specific app, for example from the lock screen, which is also nice. I highly recommend to set it. Alright, so now all we need to do is to lock the device and check if it is working. So let me put my finger on the sensor, and as you can see, this is how I will normally unlock the device, but I didn't choose this option. So what we need to do is to put the finger and press. And as you can see, the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.